I would like to ask for prayer from you guys. Pretty much everything that is essential to doing Bible translation and is also related to computers in my office has quit working in the last couple of days. So today I'm going to be soldering on some capacitors and resistors to this motherboard to hopefully get some functionality back. But other than that, we don't have internet here. I'm not sure how I'm going to upload this video, and it's honestly really discouraging. So if you guys would be willing to take a minute to pray for the computers and the technology we've got in use here, that would be great, because it's not just internet and network storage to be able to make videos and talk to people. It's what we use every day for Bible translation in Papua New Guinea. It's really important that it be working so that we can do the work that we've been called to do here, and so that the whole team that we're here to support can do their work. So if you think about it, if you have time, please lift up a prayer, especially since soldering on something this incredibly tiny is really not easy. Thanks, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and install the hard drives and see what happens. It isn't blinking anymore, which could be a good thing, or it could mean that it's just completely toast and whatever soldering crap job I did fried it. So alright, last update for the day. Just installed the Synology NAS and it looks like it is actually functioning, so that's cool. Thank you very much for your continued prayer. Getting our network attached storage up was only the first half of the things that I'd like to get done before we can actually use our computers again here, so please keep praying. Thanks, guys.